Today is a bit different. It is not a tutorial, but an unboxing. I have some fabric that I will be unboxing and something else that's related to sewing. My sewing room is no longer in this space. It is gone. I am so glad because this is not the room that I want to sew in. The sewing room is going through a bit of a makeover, refresh. It's in a total different room with a whole room available just for sewing. I will give you a little sneak peek at what is happening. I'm excited to share a tour with you once it's finished. So today we're going to do a little unboxing and let you know what I'm going to do with the fabric I received. So the first fabric that I have, it's really not a surprise because I got it on Amazon and that is how they shipped it, which is fine. I'm curious to see what it feels like. It's supposed to be 100% cotton, and it is like the color of the fabric comes up really like pink. But when I purchased it online, it didn't look like this. So it's a little different than I expected. But I do like this color. I need scissors. I hope you're doing well. I hope you guys are enjoying what's been going on the channel. There's some changes happening. Some changes in projects. But, oh, it does feel... Okay, it feels nice. I think this was 3 yards. All right. Okay, it feels, it's not like soft, but it's doable. It's a nice cotton fabric. I can probably make a nice blouse from this and see how it works. I want to get back into sewing clothes. I was sewing that before, but I don't have the sewing machine to do so. It will have to just be, it's a good size fabric. I mean, it opens, there's more fabric. So I will wash this fabric before I use it. Yeah, because I always do. Do you guys pre-wash your fabric? Because I always do. Okay, so this one is from Spoonflower. I have 3 yards of fabric in here as well. This one is linen. It's lightweight cotton twill. I am ordering more fabric on Spoonflower in the next few weeks as well. Let me know if you want to see another unboxing for that. I have some other projects that I need to take care of and I need to order more. So look at all this. It's nice. Okay. All right. There's 4. Oh, no. I don't know why I thought I had 3 yards. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yards. 6 yards because there's 2 yards of this. Okay, so this is my ramen fabric that I love to use in the Etsy shop to make bowl cozies. And I always, this one is one of my biggest sellers. So I mean, look how cute and colorful that is. Yeah, so we're going to be making a bunch of bowl cozies for the Etsy store. And I wanted to try 1 yardage, other fabrics that might do well. This one, okay, so this one's not cotton twill. This one is, I think like, okay, it's on here. The poplin, this is regular cotton fabric, for quilting. Okay, so this one is the cotton twill fabric. Oh, how cute that is. I love this. Okay, so this is a yard and I will be washing this before I use it because the color fades a little bit with the Spoonflower fabric after you wash it. And I would rather have my customer not have to go through that. There's a little shrinkage and some color fading, but this one's really pretty. I love it. Okay, so this one will also be be turned into a bowl cozy as well. This one, It's so cute. I did have another bowl cozy in this one and it's sold. So I wanted to try to see if it would continue to sell with another of the same print. Etsy's kind of changed a lot of their things this year and Etsy looks a little different for me. I don't know how Etsy's gonna do this year because it's just already different. I'm hoping no more changes happen and the Etsy store kind of gets back up and running. But this is what I have. It is so pretty. I love it. Okay, and the next fabric is also a yard. It's a sloth print and it feels really good. Okay, so this one's the signature cotton fabric. Oh, I like how soft it is. Oh, okay, so this one's the poplin. I don't know, is that how you say it? Cotton. It's a little bit more sturdy, I think. This is perfect for a bowl cozy. This one. Use another blueprint from my Joann Fabric days. I still have leftovers to make this bowl cozy with. And this one feels so nice and soft. So this is the sloth print. Look how cute. I had the same print before, but it was a different color. I think it was gray, but I wanted to like a more pop of color. This one might get bowl cozied. But there is some things I used to make in the past. I would make a tea wallet and I used a sloth print for that and that one sold out. So I might do that again, but we'll see. I'm gonna do some things with this one. It's fun. Maybe a zipper pouch to see how it will do. Ooh, you know what will be good with this? This would be great to do like a bookmark that's attached to the journal, because I need one of those. A lot of the things I make is a lot of things that I need in the house and need already, because I'm gonna show you. All of my YouTube brain activity goes into this journal. And sometimes I'll stick my pen in here, but a lot of times, sometimes I forget to do that. I've made these before. I've given them all away and I have no more. I might make that and use this fabric to do it. So it'll be nice to have a place where I can put my pen and a bookmark as well. I don't know, those are some things I would like to do with it. If you have any ideas, let me know. Probably, I don't want to use anything for the kitchen for this because I don't want it to get messed up. Okay, and this one's another twill. It's another twill cotton. This one will turn into a bowl cozy. This is the Hoya Bloom fabric, and I have another print in these, but I think the other print is like a green background. This one's blue. I like the blue one a little bit more. Turn this into bowl cozies as well. A lot of this is for the Etsy store that I have. I love how the detail of the center of the flower is very, very beautiful. So, one more. I did already peek in to see what it looked like. I did already do that. This, I love it. This is gonna go in the wall of my sewing room right where I sew. I love it. The last house we had, I had a full sewing room. And that was before all the plants came. And now I have a full plant room and I didn't have a sewing space. So I was kind of using space here. Even in the closet that I have, I was trying to use that. But now that I have a designated space just for sewing with all my sewing materials, I'm just so thankful. And I'm looking forward to sharing my new sewing room with you guys in the next few weeks. I will do a sewing room tour once the room is finished. If you want to know how much I paid for some of the items that's in there, I can add that on the screen. or in the description, but I will give you a total budget of what I spent to get that room together, because I do a lot of things under budget as much as I can. I'm looking forward to seeing what comes of this fabric, and I'm looking forward to seeing what comes of this. Feel of it, I can make a nice fall scarf with it. That would be one thing I can do. And make, oh, it would be really nice to make a blouse, like a tunic blouse from it. I think I love tunics. I love that look. I'm looking forward to sewing clothes again. So yeah, thank you so much for hanging out. Enjoy the rest of your day, and always remember you are loved. I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you of some fabric and something else, planty, not planty,